Hermès scarf is Rachel McAdams wearing in the boat scene of Wedding Crashers. This one took me quite a while to find, so let's get into it. So one of our first really good looks at this scarf is right here, and we see these flowers along the border. Here is a screenshot with a closer look. I've matched to this flower here and ignore the color difference. I couldn't find an example in blue. We have a really interesting development here where we can see the title. Most Hermès scarves have titles, but because this one didn't look familiar to me, I was Googling something with an R-O-O-M. I even started looking at Dolce Gabbana thinking that maybe this said Roma or something like that. Also because I thought it had the look of these Dolce Gabbana ones here. And then I found the match, and here is what it looks like. There's a shot of the back of the scarf, and again, I didn't recognize these black squares as Hermès. Zoomed in, we can make out some of that same text I've matched to this corner here. A little shocked here because the scarf completely changes for a few seconds halfway through the scene. And here's a close-up, but that's a mystery for another day. And for one last clue, we're just going to take a look at the swirls up here, which look exactly like these swirls over here. Which scarf is Rachel McAdams wearing, and is it actually Hermès? The scarf that Rachel McAdams is wearing in Wedding Crashers is this Moo Roo scarf right here. Well, except in blue. Actually available for $48 on the RealReal or $25 on Poshmark. This is the only photo that I could find online of the actual blue color that she was wearing, and this one was sold on ThredUp. Please let me know if there are any others that I can take a look at, and I have a few more in the works.